Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to take scrolling screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the web page where you want to take a scrolling screenshot. To take the scrolling screenshot, press the power button and then the volume down button together at the same time. Click on the pointed arrow downward. Now once you click on the pointed arrow, then just go ahead and click on the pointed arrow again. You should see the arrow again, click on it. So just keep clicking on it until you get to the end of the scrolling screenshot you want to take on Samsung A54 5G. And then once you're done taking the scrolling screenshot, or once you've gotten to the end, what you need to do to save the scrolling screenshot is just click on the screenshot, and then you should see it like this. See that? So that's exactly how to take scrolling screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.